Looks clear coming in from the right. Looks a little dark over there.
Yeah, it does. Maybe you'll get your IMC after all.
Today I had planned a short flight from Charleston Yeager Airport to Braxton County Airport. It's about 50 miles away. It's been about 5 weeks since my last flight, so I scheduled a CFI or a certified flight instructor to come along for the ride. I like flying with a CFI. I'm a very sporadic flyer, and it's just safer having one with me. I'm always learning something new from them, and it's nice having someone along to talk to and ask questions about flying. Having my CFI along today was going to pay huge dividends on our return flight to Charleston, as I would have had to divert if he had not been there to instruct me on an instrument approach in some pretty moderate range.
Charleston departure Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha. I have Braxton County in sight.
Cessna 737 Alpha Alpha, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha.
Have you ever messed around with the glide slope on this aircraft?
No, I'd like to mess with that one time so I could see it.
Yeah, you could do it today. See how that glide slope came in now?
Okay.
So you can start your descent to hang out on the glide slope.
So, alright.
So you, the white is you, the green is the glide slope. So we
I'm
just,
high.
Yeah, so go ahead and bring your power out to about 1900 and current heat on. And we'll go make sure, yep. And go ahead and pitch down for about 90 knots, and you can bring your flaps into 10 degrees. Anything more than 10 degrees, you got to be below 85
Charleston Tower,
knots.
HealthNet 9. We're not able to get into the hospital right now. We're going to try to come to the airport and come around the north side of the precipitation.
All right, you can see we're a little bit left of course, so bring me to the right a little bit here.
And
okay.
I'll get you your landing clearance here in just a moment.
Just nice.
Copy, we'll
and
proceed
gentle
inbound to the
to
hot
bring us
pads,
over.
Alpha 9.
Bring some more power in here. And then we're about to re-intercept the...
Number 7 Alpha Alpha, just be advised there's a small rain cell that's moved over the airport, starting to at least. It's pretty much over the approach end of runway 5 right now, and I think it's really kind of northeast bound. It may not get all the way to the approach end of runway 23, but the visibility to the west towards the city is starting to drop significantly.
Copy that, Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha.
now, we're just going to simulate some instruments.
437 Juliet,
So,
maintain VFR to below
you're good
4,000.
on your
frequency
heading here.
124.1, squawk
0225. 5 degrees down.
Alright, that's 5 where I'm at, right?
All right, yep.
7 Juliet, pop 0225, rest of reback's correct.
All right, we see the localizer aspect of the approach coming in.
Help that 9, hot patch, you're clear to
about 1
land,
degree
wind
of deflection
350
right
at 12.
Clear to land, hot pad,
All
top
right.
9.
Now, what I want you to do shortly is bring that blue diamond onto that green arrow.
Number 437 Juliet, Papa, Charleston ground, runway 23, taxi via Bravo, Bravo 4, Charlie Alpha.
All right, now roll wings level. Match up those triangles, good. Pitch that nose down a little bit more. Let's pitch for 90 knots. Glide slopes coming in very nicely.
I've got you in sight now. Are you guys just planning to go to Capital Jet and set down for a few minutes?
Affirmative, over to the Jet Center, Alpha 9.
Okay, just pick
hold
up
that
Charlie there.
on
As you
the
cross the
green
runway,
arrow.
you're clear to
So we
cross
need
the
to bring
runway.
right just a
And
little
proceed
bit.
down, Charlie.
Copy, we'll take Charlie over to Capital Jet Center, Alpha 9.
About 2 miles out.
Juliet, Papa, make it Bravo Alpha to runway 23. There's going to be a helicopter coming down, taxiway Charlie.
Still to the right. Okay.
Yep. Don't look up just yet. I'll let you know when. All right. 2 miles out. We're going to start slowing us down just a little bit.
There's a caravan coming
You can
out
bring
of
your flaps,
the
when you get
GA
to
ramp.
85
He'll
to
be on
20
Bravo.
degrees.
Taxiway Charlie, clear to land, and then behind him, air taxi to park.
Copy, clear to land, taxiway Charlie. We'll
bit
air
more to the
taxi
right.
to parking behind the caravan, Alpha 9.
There you go. You're still on the glide slope for the most part. Less than a half degree of deflection. Looking very nice. Alright, and this would be the minimum descent altitude that we could go to in the clouds. So if you look up now, that's what you'd be presented with. And you can go ahead and go full flaps. That's the real basic approach. There's a lot more to it, but that's how they get to this point. And from here on out, it's just a normal approach. Oh, butter smooth. Butter smooth.
That was fun.
Number 7 Alpha Alpha, left Charlie, taxi to park Charlie, Bravo 4 Bravo.